Are you looking for ideas what to serve with afternoon tea? You're in luck. Keep watching. This is my take on a lemon drizzle cake. For the cake, you will be needing self-raising flour, lemons, sugar, vegetable oil, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and 4 eggs. The recipe info will be in the description below. Start by zesting the lemons before squeezing them for their lemon juice. By the way, before starting the cake mix, I suggest you preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the cake mix. Mix the eggs, lemon zest, and oil in a bowl. And whisk it all together. Continue by adding in the sugar, mix it some more, and add in the vanilla extract. Whisk again to incorporate all the ingredients together. Put the mixture aside and we'll get working on the dry ingredients. Sift the flour, and the baking powder, and don't forget the salt. Pour in the wet mixture and whisk together. This time it's easier with an electric mixer. Keep mixing until it's combined and has a smooth consistency. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. You will know the batter is ready when it leaves those clear lines. Once done, pour the batter in a lined baking tin. Make sure not to fill it up since it will rise. If you have extra batter, do not throw it away. Make cupcakes, of course. Put it in the oven and set the timer for 50 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the glaze. You will need sugar and lemon juice. Swapping icing sugar for the icing. For the glaze, you will need to mix 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 3 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Keep mixing until the sugar has dissolved. In another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 100 grams of icing sugar. Keep mixing until the mixture is smooth. Test it out to see if it covers the spoon without being too runny. 50 minutes later and the cake is ready. Look how much it has risen. While it is still warm, poke holes all over the cake. This will help the lemon juice to soak into the sponge. You can pour the lemon juice all over the cake while it is still in the tin. Let it soak in for a while. Next, remove the cake from the tin and parchment paper and place on a rack. Drizzle the icing sugar and let it drip down the edges. I suggest you place a parchment paper under the rack to avoid making a big mess. And there you have it, a lemon drizzle cake, perfect with a hot cup of tea. Hit the like button if you like lemon cake, and don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to us. Thank you for watching.